Okay, so today we're working on problem number 4, and we started off with the exponential function y equals 3 times 2 to the power of x, where 3 was the starting amount in thousands, and 2 was the rate at which it was growing. And then in the problem, it told us the amount of bacteria that we want to have. So we wanted to use that for the y value, but again, remembering that y is in thousands. So we're going to use 1,000 to represent the amount. And then we want to continue to solve that, but the exponent is unknown. So we had to use inverse function, and we know the inverse of an exponential function is a log. But first we have to get the rate to the power of x by itself. So we've divided both sides by 3. Now when we get this, we get 333 and a third, but for the sake of keeping it accurate, we're going to leave it as 1,000 over 3. So I'm just going to write that over here. 1,000 over 3 equals 2 to the power of x. And so we know to convert it to a log, the base stays the same. Our answer is the next expression to write, and it is equal to y. So now we need to figure out how to solve this. And so I showed you guys the change of base rule. And so you had to do log 1,000 over 3 divided by the log of 2. And that will give you your y value. So basically, it's the log of the larger number over the log of the base. That way you can use your calculator, because we learned yesterday that if there's no number for the subscript, it's said to be 10. And so when we plug this in, your log is right here, log. So you are going to hit log of 1,000 divided by 3. And I like to hit enter here and then do divided by log of 2 and hit enter. And so we get y is equal to 8.38. And so I believe that was in days. So 8.38 days is when we will have this amount of bacteria.